This video is sponsored by Course Careers. If you're looking to start a high-paying career with no degree, make sure to check them out. Making $10,000 per month is a dream that a lot of people have. And if I'm being completely honest with you, the first $10,000 a month that I made was the ones that impacted my life the hardest.
Why does it have to be quick? Why does it have to be easy? Why can't it be hard and difficult? Why can't you suffer? Because suffering is what gives it value. The whole point is that it's difficult to get. If you want something that's valuable, you need something which is difficult to obtain. You shouldn't be thinking about quick and easy. You should be thinking about hard, suffering, pain. This is going to be hard, but I'm going to do it anyway. Your mind is broken.
But if I'm being even more honest with you, if we're talking about earning money online and not through a corporate job, the skills that you're going to need to learn to build a $10,000 a month business are the same skills that you need to learn to build a $1,000 a month business. What do I mean by that? To be able to earn your first $1,000 online, you will have to develop a series of high-value skills, and those same high-value skills are the same skills that are going to enable you at some point to earn $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. So in this video, I want to give you a 4-step framework that you can take and start taking action right now to be able to build your 10K a month business. And if you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Reis and I'm a YouTuber and business owner. And between my YouTube channel and all my businesses, I'm making currently today around $50,000 per month. And to be able to get to this point, I had a framework, which is the one that I'm going to share with you today in this video. So if you're excited to see that framework, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because that's all I do here on the channel. I post free videos just like this one every single week with different methods that you can use to improve your finances, build online businesses, and make money online. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and sign up to the subscriber fund down below in the description, which is a giveaway that I do here on the channel every single Friday to 2 people that sign up to the subscriber fund. So obviously, people think that you're just going to land a job, land a business that is going to make you $10,000 a month, and that's not how it works. To be able to get to a point where you're consistently making $10,000 every single month, you need to change a few things first: mindset, habits, and beliefs. Don't get me wrong here. Getting to 10K a month is pretty doable for anyone. If you really stick your mind to it, you can build a business that's going to get you 10K per month. But even the 10K a month business is going to require you to have new skill sets, new habits, and new beliefs. And if you're a person that's not making $10,000 a month right now, what is holding you back are these 3 things: your mindset, your beliefs, and your habits. And the habits, mindsets, and beliefs that we have are severely influenced by the people that we grow up with, and also by the people that we spend time with. Even if you're an adult right now, the people that you're spending time with are severely impacting your mindset, your habits, and your beliefs. Believe it or not, it's true. If you grew up like me in a poor family where your mom and dad have bad beliefs and bad habits, you will inevitably have them too. And to be able to change, to be able to improve and build a business that's going to get you to 10K per month, you need to start questioning those beliefs. Like Alex Hormozy said in a podcast, we question everything, but the things that we truly believe in, we never think to question. And that is very true. A few days ago, I was having a chat with a friend of mine, and I mentioned to him that every single person, they blame outside for their problems. Every single time they have a problem, it's the job, it's the computer, it's something else. It's never them. They never look inside. Therefore, they never improve. And the reason why they do that is because when you look inside and you put the blame on yourself, it is very hard, because you have to deal with that and you have to improve to change it. If you blame it on something else, then it's not your fault. There's nothing you can do about it, right? And therefore, you're going to stay on that situation forever. But there's something that happens when you put the blame on yourself, is that you empower yourself to change your situation. And believe it or not, those are the things holding you back right now. Back in the day when I failed my last business and I didn't have a 10K per month business, well, I saw that I needed to acquire high value skills, in which I also mentioned in my Get Rich in Your 20s video that I started acquiring high value skills to be able to build my next business. And if you want, you can check that video out. I explain every single thing that you have to do the same thing. And if you want to change your mindset, beliefs, and habits, you can also check out my dopamine detox video, which I lay out a framework that you can use to do exactly that. So let's pretend that you fix your mindset, you fix your habits, and you fix your beliefs. There are no limiting beliefs or habits holding you back. Then you can jump to the second part in this framework, which is getting to 10K per month. So the first thing that you have to do to be able to build a business that will get you to 10K per month is decide what type of business that you want to make. It's going to be very hard for you to choose at the start what you actually want to end up doing, but the way that you actually decide what you're going to end up doing is by studying several different business categories like drop shipping, YouTube channels, influencer marketing, email marketing. And just studying isn't enough. When you study something, take a course and then you act on it. You study and then you take action. Doing is a part of learning. It's just like riding a bike. You can't can't just read it on a book and then learn how to ride a bike. You have to go out and do it. Doing is part of learning. Every single time that you learn something, put it in action. You will inevitably fail miserably doing that, but that is going to allow you to find out what is the next step that you need to take to be able to make that business work at the end of the day. When you fail at something, you're going to know the next step that you have to learn to be able to evolve, and you will keep doing that until you make that business work. Or another thing can happen is that you find out that that isn't the business that you really want to end up doing, and you're going to quit that business because it really doesn't fit the person that you are, and you'll find out that isn't really the business that you want to pursue and continue trying. But just make sure that you're not quitting that business because it got too hard, because every single business will get hard. It is really good that you find something that you like, because when it gets hard, what's going to keep you from quitting is you liking what you're doing. The first business that you try is most likely not the one that you're going to end up doing in the end. But make no mistake, all of these businesses, all of these things that are going to come disguised as failures, they are going to be the building blocks for you to build all of those high value skills. And in the end, you're going to find a business that you're going to put all of those things that you learned together and make your last business work. But while you're trying to learn all these businesses, you still need to be working on something to be able to get the bills paid. And ideally, this job has to give you the freedom to be able to work from home, and you choose the hours that you want to work in. And that is exactly where Course Careers comes in. With Course Careers, if you want to start a high-paying career in the technology industry, but you don't have previous experience or a degree, Course Careers is here to help you. They're replacing colleges as the modern way people are starting careers. And Course Careers is so simple. All you have to do is go through an affordable online course where you're going to learn every single thing that you need to do to actually make that job work. Then they're going to help you land a position by partnering with companies that drop their requirements for a degree or previous experience, just to hire Course Career graduates into entry-level positions and internships. You can also check out some of their stories of people like Kyle, who went from being a 37-year-old assembly line worker in Indiana, pressing buttons with no degrees, to making over $150,000 in a medical technology sales career. Or Della, who served duty in the military and didn't know what to do afterwards, to making over $100,000 as a cybersecurity sales rep, working completely fully remote. Go to coursecareers.com, link in the description, to sign up for their free introduction course where you're going to learn exactly how you can start a high-paying technology career without a degree and without previous experience. Remember to use code reis50 for $50 off their full course. Now, there are several businesses that you can start that is going to take you to 10K per month. I could sit here all day and tell you several businesses that you can start, but you don't just want to make $10,000 a month. Let me explain why. When I was still living in South America, I had a 5K a month business flipping phones and sneakers. And after that, I had a online business selling airsoft guns, which actually got me to 20K per month. But the caveat with that is I was working 24/7 and I was stuck inside my business. I didn't have any type of freedom. I couldn't travel because I had to be in the city that I lived in. I didn't have time because I had to work 24/7 in my business. And if you start a business that is not a freedom business, you are going to end up in the same situation that I was in. And in the text file of this video, I'm going to make a list of different businesses that are freedom businesses that are going to get you to 10K per month with time and location freedom. This is exactly what I teach in my online university, Pro University. In Pro University, I only add courses that have the potential to take you to 10K per month, or even a lot more than that, with location and time freedom. And the reason why I launched YouTuber Pro first before any other courses is because we're living in an attention economy, and YouTube is a business that is going to give you all the types of freedom, and it also enables you to have several streams of income. And if you want to build a sustainable business that is going to get you to 10K per month and is going to be sustainable in 5 years from now, a decade from now, you need to see what is going to be relevant 10 years from now and use the infrastructure that we have right now to build those businesses. Right now, we are in a great time to be able to do those things with the amount of AI tools that we have at our disposal right now, and living in a creator economy where anyone can start a YouTube channel, where anyone can start a TikTok account and make life-changing money.
124,116 students, and they're all staying. So many students have joined and make more money than they gain. If you pay $49 to join something and you make $2,000, that's a good investment. Why would you make a hit piece saying takes $50 and teaches people how to make $2,000? He's a scam. 17-year-old kid, you'd spend $50 and you make $2 grand. That's life-changing money.
I signed a client for 3K.
10 days I rated 9K.
I've taken 14,000, made 52,000.
And all you have to do is just take advantage of it. Now, remember at the start of this video when I mentioned that the same skills that you're going to have to learn to get to 10K per month are the same skills that are eventually going to take you to 30, 50, 100K per month. The way that you do that is by focusing on the skills that actually got you there. When you get to 10K per month, it is going to be very tempting to change courses, start doing new businesses. Let's say you're doing a YouTube channel. It's going to be very tempting to start a second YouTube channel. It's going to be very tempting to get off what actually got you to 10K per month in the first place. And that's a very big mistake that a lot of people make. And that's something that prevents a lot of people from going beyond the 10K per month mark. You need to focus on what actually got you there in the first place and be able to expand your main business without scattering yourself through multiple businesses. Don't neglect the business that actually got you to where you are right now. And the way that you do that, the way that you expand your business that got you to where you are, is to be able to hire more people to help you out on that same business, or to be able to find ways to generate more value to the customers that you already have. This will get you to 50K per month and beyond. I want to thank Course Careers again for sponsoring this video. If you want to check them out, use the link below in the description. And don't forget to sign up to Webull for free. They'll give you 12 fractional shares valued anywhere from $3,000 to $3,000 just for making an initial deposit of any amount. And if you want to see my video on how you can get rich in your 20s, or if you want to see my video on the dopamine detox to be able to implement this stuff that you just learned, click the 2 videos on the screen right now and you'll be redirected to one of those videos. I will see you there. Work hard, play harder.